Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need to start right away. Wake the watch and unlock it. Make sure you can press and hold the watch face. Once you press and hold, the faces will zoom out. This is edit mode. You'll see the active face with dots. If you see a small red minus or an edit label, tap it. You're not deleting complications yet. You are selecting the face container to remove. This step puts you in control of which face to delete, so don't rush past it. Once in edit mode, swipe left or right until the target face is centered. You must highlight it before removing. Then, tap the red minus icon, watch for a remove confirmation and tap it to confirm. If the face came from your iPhone or is part of a synced group, open the Watch app on your iPhone, find faces, and remove from there. This ensures it won't reappear. After confirmation, the face disappears from the carousel. Finish by pressing the digital crown once or twice to exit edit and return to your remaining face. This locks in the change. If you want that look back, press and hold, swipe to New Plus, and add a new face. If deletion fails, restart the Apple Watch. Power it off, wait a few seconds, power it on, and repeat the removal. This clears temporary glitches. Finally, if problems persist, use the Watch app on your iPhone to remove faces, or unpair and repair as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.